Hello learners.
Now we'll be learning of importing an image sequence. So I'll do Control I, which is the shortcut. And as you can see, this is an EXR file over here. These are the images over here, what I have got. There is an option of sequence options, open EXR sequence, import as footage, import as composition. So what I'll do is import as footage. These are different files. So if you see total, there are so many files over here. What I'll do is I'll click one and I'll say import as footage, open EXR sequence, and then I'll say import. So right now, if you see, if I just double click here, so this is the image what I'm getting. This is already an image which is roto out. So I'll just drag and drop this here. I'll just turn off the character. Right now, if you see, it is actually appearing as a footage. However, there are sequence of image. There are multiple images, hence it is treating as sequence. So you need to check on that option. Again, if you want, I can just over here toggle switch mode, and from my mode I can change this to screen, that it would remove the blacks from the footage and would something appear like this. This is how you can work with, you can import multiple sequences. I just did Control I and open EXR sequence and import as footage. So this is a, or you can also say create composition. So this would create composition and then hit OK. This is a composition, what it has. This is not treating as a composition. This is how you can import your multiple sequence into your After Effects project. Thank you.